Choom, ching, 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 tat, ching, ching, ching. Choom, ching, choom, ching, tat, ching.
Combining sounds. Say and play the high sound of ching and the low sound of boom together at the same time. This sounds like choom, choom. The high sound of ching and the low sound of boom together. Ch-oom, choom. Say and play ching and boom together. Say and play choom, 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 choom. Now add the tat in there. So remember, the ching is played with the hand that you draw with or write with. The boom is on the same side of the body as the ching. Then you add in your other hand, tat, so you have the high sound of ching, the middle sound of tat, and the low sound of boom all together. This sounds like batch, the whole batch of limbs. Boom, tat, and ching. All together sounds like batch. Say and play all three limbs all at the same time. Ready? Play, batch. Say and play all three of them at the same time. Ready? Say and play, batch, 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 batch. When you leave out the boom and you still play the ching and the tat, those played at the same time sounds like chat. Say and play chat, 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 chat. When you play the boom and the tat at the same time, it sounds like bat. Say and play one hand with your foot, tat and boom together, bat. Then switch hands, alternating, saying and playing tat and boom together, bat. Say and play with the other hand, alternating, bat. Now alternate again with the other hand. Bat. The tat and the boom at the same time. Bat. 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 Bat.
Choom, ching, 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 tat, ching, ching, ching. Choom, ching, choom, ching, tat.